Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my best protein snacks for muscle. So if you struggle to get in your protein during the day, today's snack ideas are really going to help you boost your protein during the day. Now, before we get into today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up and maybe you want tips, recipes, snack ideas to build more muscle, if that sounds like you, subscribe right now. And if you've been following me for a while now, make sure after this video to click the first link down in my description and go get yourself my free 10 pounds in 30-day cheat sheet. It will show you the exact steps you need to take to gain 10 pounds in the next 30 days and start gaining more weight. So let's get straight into today's video. So if you don't know me personally, well, one of the biggest struggles that I had is as a skinny guy, especially in my skinny guy journey, was getting enough protein during the day. And you know, if you don't watch any of my videos on this channel, I recommend that you get at least 1 gram per pound of body weight of protein per day. And once you start doing this, you're gonna see much better results. You're gonna increase your recovery time, you're gonna build more muscle, and you're gonna facilitate more muscle recovery, okay? So getting enough protein is essential because when it comes to muscle building, you really need to get enough protein to rebuild those muscles and grow them bigger and stronger every time you work out. And when you work out, you're really tearing those muscle fibers down, and protein is used to recover those muscles, rebuild them bigger and stronger. So you need to get, I would recommend at least 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Okay, if you can, 1 gram per pound of body weight. Now, once you start to do this, you're gonna find that it's quite difficult to get protein in during your day. If you don't know what kind of foods you should be eating in terms of protein, you're really gonna struggle. So today I wanna share with you 6 really easy high protein snacks you can add into your diet. It's gonna help you hit your protein targets and help you build more muscle. So first one I recommend is protein bars, okay? These are super easy and convenient. I used to use a lot of protein bars in my day when I went to university. I would be super busy with work, so I wouldn't have time to prepare, you know, any crazy meals. And sometimes, you know, maybe I didn't have time to literally prepare a meal for breakfast. I would have a protein bar and maybe have a shake on the side, and that would give you like 60 grams of protein, okay? So a protein bar usually gives you around 20 to 30 grams of protein, and it's a really easy way to get in protein but also enjoy it. And a lot of these snacks out there, they don't taste great, okay? But protein bars taste really good. They're highly portable and super convenient to take around. So that's the first one. The second one is mass gain shakes, okay? So I have tons of mass gain shake recipes on this channel, so make sure to check that out and go through my videos. Tons of recipes on mass gain shakes. Now, mass gain shakes you can create easily at home. Homemade shakes, high protein, you can get at least 60 grams of protein, if not more, in one shake. So very easy way to hit your protein targets if you struggle to get more protein during the day, okay? So check out my channel and my videos, got tons of recipes for you there. So the third one is protein shakes, okay? Protein shakes are such an easy way to get in your protein, and whenever I struggle during the day to hit my protein, I have a shake or two, and that can easily boost your protein 30 to 60 grams per day, okay? One of the easiest ways to get protein in, especially after a workout, your muscles are broken down, you have a protein shake to easily start the recovery process. It's just a great way to get in more protein. So that's the third one. The fourth one is high protein yogurt, okay? You will go to the supermarket, grocery store, there will be a section where they have yogurt and it's extra high protein. So usually high protein yogurt will be stocked in the shelves, and they will contain around 20 to 30 grams of protein for a little small tub, okay? So these are really tasty and they can pack a ton of protein, okay? Now, if you can't find these high protein small yogurt tubs, you can go for Greek yogurt as well. Greek yogurt has a lot of protein as well. And you'll find recipes on my channel where you can actually mix Greek yogurt with whey protein. And this can easily add up and be a really good high protein snack for you, okay? So fifth one is one of my favorite snacks to go to for protein, and it is beef jerky, okay? Beef jerky tastes freaking amazing. and it can easily give you 30 grams of protein, if not more. If you have you can have a really small serving, and it packs a lot of protein into the serving, and it's really easy to hit your protein targets, okay? Because it's basically dehydrated, so actually you're eating not so much and you don't feel bloated, but you're actually packing a lot more protein in a serving, okay? So the last recommendation I have is a staple bodybuilding food, and it is canned tuna, okay? So canned tuna is, super easy way to get in protein, especially when you're, short on time. You just get a, canned tuna and easily get 20 to 30 grams of protein in a small can, okay? Have a couple cans, even mix it in your meals, and you can easily hit, a majority of your daily protein intake during the day, okay? So hope you enjoyed these 6 ideas for snacks. Make sure to add them into your diet. If you struggle to get in your protein, always aim for 1 gram per pound of body weight, and you will see better results, faster recovery, your mood will be better, you will feel stronger in the gym, you will lift more weight, and you will also simply build more muscle, okay? So hope you enjoyed today's video. If you need more help, you want me to coach you one-on-one and show you exactly the snacks, the meals, and what to eat every single day to build muscle, then make sure to check out the links below. Apply for my customized coaching program. I'll personally reach out to you, see if you're a good fit, and if we can help you, we will help you gain more weight in the next couple of months. But that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.